If you own a 6.7 Cummins, you know the stock exhaust manifold sucks. The stock exhaust manifold is not made for performance or to flow well or to reduce EGTs. In fact, it tends to warp, shrink, or crack, so to get it off your truck, sometimes you have to cut it off with a Sawzall like this. The diesel power source T4i exhaust manifold is designed to overcome all those issues. Unlike the stock exhaust one-piece manifold, this manifold is a two-piece design that allows for expansion and contraction, so it prevents the stress fractures, the warping, the shrinking, the cracking. If you want a manifold that lasts, you do not want a one-piece manifold whatsoever. You want a multi-piece, high-flow, high-performance manifold that will last and will perform. This multi-piece direct replacement exhaust manifold bolts directly up to the stock turbo. What's also great about this exhaust manifold is it hooks up to and works with the emissions. And it improves airflow, reducing EGTs, helping your turbo run smoothly. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting solution and don't want to keep replacing your manifold, this is it. The diesel power source T4i exhaust manifold is designed to get the job done.